We're already aware that what we put in our bodies affects our skin as much as the products we put on it. This knowledge often puts us on the defensive. We know to avoid certain aggravators like alcohol and sugar, for example, since they can contribute to acne and dullness. Today's video will discuss the 2-minute glowing skin smoothie that people can't stop pinning. But in addition to cutting out the bad, it's also worth being proactive about what you consume, since there's a whole laundry list of foods that can contribute to a brighter, clearer complexion. 1. Berry smoothie. Every ingredient in this pink smoothie contributes to a better complexion. Berries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants and vitamins, which help fight the free radicals that often contribute to decreased collagen and other signs of aging. As anti-inflammatories, antioxidants assist the body in healing and protect from future damage. 2. Detox salad. A dead ringer for Whole Foods' famous salad bar dish, this detox salad contains a base of cauliflower and broccoli. As cruciferous veggies, they're effective at balancing hormones and boosting estrogen, which in turn can help clear up blemished skin. This recipe also contains sunflower seeds, which are packed with complexion-boosting vitamins like folate, selenium, and vitamin EO, and it's delicious too. 3. Detox water. What's not to love about detox water? It's pretty, endlessly customizable, and gives regular old H2O an extra kick of nutrition and makes it more palatable too. This popular recipe contains cucumber, which is high in nutrients that help fight water retention and puffiness. 4. Avocado quinoa salad. You had said avocado. Aside from tasting like the elixir of the gods, the creamy green fruit is packed with monosaturated fatty acids, the nutrients responsible for keeping our skin as plump and hydrated as possible. Meanwhile, dark leafy greens like parsley and arugula are loaded with anti-aging antioxidants, while the lycopene found in tomatoes fortifies the defense against free radicals. Quinoa does more of the same. There's a reason why the super grain is becoming more and more popular as a skincare ingredient. 5. Mango smoothie bowl. Finally, nothing makes our hearts sing like a beautifully crafted smoothie bowl. This one is fortified with chia seeds for a solid dose of omega fatty acids, as well as kiwi, which contains copious amounts of skin brightening vitamin C. A word to the wise. Mango and banana are plenty high in natural sugar, so there's no need to sweeten this delicious breakfast any further. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.